What's up, guys? I'm Nico, and as you see, I've started sanding some of the pieces. Let's jump into it. Okay, guys. So as you see, just like I said, I've been sanding some of the pieces. If you want if you want to know a certain thing in the video, you can go to the chapters right here, or you can actually go to the description and then click one of the time slots there, and it'll take you to.
You're at 20%. You're at 20%.
What I have done is I've actually started sanding some of the parts. As you see, for the forearm, I've done the bicep right here, guys, and I have not fully sanded the bicep. As you can see, a little rough right here, and this is all smooth. So you can definitely see it, and you can definitely see it in the video as well. But mainly what I'm going to talk about today is the legs. As you see from the thumbnail, I have actually started sanding the legs and done some of the legs. What I have done is the shins, and this is actually what we're mainly going to talk about today. How I attached it, how I started sanding it, how I printed it, all that, guys. So let's jump into it. Okay, guys, so in my opinion, a couple of different criteria when you want to make, when you're making your cosplays, especially an armored cosplay like Iron Man. Now, this armor is supposed to be nanotech. Of course, we don't have that technology, and we can't make it skin tight. So we try to at least make it as real as possible, as seamless as possible. Some of the criteria that I try to meet when I'm making my Iron Man suit, just watching a bunch of different YouTubers do it, is make it comfortable, make it easily accessible, make it easy to take apart, and so you can do repairs. As you see for the knee, guys, if I'm traveling something, you might not always have a box that's really long or big. So what I actually did with these knees is I just put some Velcro, some easy Velcro right here, guys. I got the sticky parts right here, and I got the soft parts in here. And I can easily put it on and off, just real ease, really easy. And if I need to do a paint job, if I need to do anything for it, repairs, all that, it is easily accessible right here. Now, for these insides of the Achilles, all I did is, as you see right here, this is some nylon, but you can easily use elastic right here. And as you see, these are purse magnets right here. So these magnets are really hard to go sideways. As you see, I try to pull them, but they're easily able to go outwards. As you see, trying to push against them doesn't really work, but going outwards does work. So what I did right here is, as you see right here, got the magnets, and I just placed the magnets right in here, and it just locks it in place. Now, I've been using these across the whole entire suit, mainly the legs right now. I'm still working on the torso, but I still got a lot in the torso. As you see, I can just lock it in. If I just place it, use the elastic. I use the elastic, and I just kind of put it past where the rest point is, just so it can have a little bit more resistance and holding it in, so it's not flopping around everywhere. And look at that, just right there. And you can just align it however you need right here. Boom, right there, you got it. And look, and just align it how you need. It's really good. Stand still right here. Of course, you just adjust it to your liking, as you see. Boom, right there, and it stands still. Now for the foot, actually right here, put it down, and it comes right over. So if you're just wondering how, it just comes right over and slots down, and it's actually really good. Okay, guys, so after this Achilles heel right here, guys, I'm gonna actually tell y'all how I printed it. Now, yes, as you see, there is no seam lines or like cutoffs, because I printed this in one full piece. Not everybody's gonna have the luxury of that, but I used it on the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. And the way I printed it is I just printed it straight up. I just tilted it like the tiniest of bits, just so it can get supports here. And I just built it straight up. This is nothing complicated. And I'm just trying to build everything in one piece. That's my goal. That's what I'm trying to do, is so I don't have to like accidental like seam lines. I know the thighs, I cut them in half because I needed to. That's gonna be the later part of the video. But these parts, they come out really good, and you just sand it really smooth. As you see, guys, it is really smooth. You can see it there. This is a line of part of the details, but it comes out really good, guys. So let's get to the next part. So one thing I am trying to that when I start finalizing everything, is I want to put some felt tape in here, because as you see when I'm walking around, you probably don't want to hear the plastic clinging against each other or hitting each other. So I'm gonna probably put some felt tape right here, probably along the sides right here. So just some thins probably in here, so it can make it again seamless right here and the insides. But let's talk about the shoes real quick. Let's talk about the shoes. So as you see, guys, we have the shoes right here, and I actually cut off the bottom part right here. I've seen a couple of different variations where they cut, maybe they cut it in half or something, and they put covers on. This is the way I'm doing it. The way I'm doing it is I'm gonna just cut this. As you see, this kind of fell, that's why there's a line. If you print it in one piece and there is no fill, then it will just come off as one piece. Well, what I'm thinking of doing is putting a shoe in here and just getting some elastic. Again, make it accessible, make it easy to change out if you need to. Hopefully you don't have to do it, but maybe you could just put like 2 elastic, maybe 3 elastics right here, goes across, and then you can, instead of using it as magnets, you can just use some Velcro. So just in case if you need to change it out, put something else if it messes up or whatever the case is, you can easily move it out and in, and then you can easily take the shoe out and in, just like that, guys. So let's get into the next part. Okay, guys, so the last part before we actually end this, guys, is the cod piece. So the legs they're gonna be easy. I already have ideas in the harness system, and we'll show you actually an updated harness system for the legs. I have an easy one for that. It's gonna be quick, simple, easy, a one to put on. Because the way I want to do it is just like I said at the beginning of the video. You want to make it comfortable. You want to make it easy, accessible. I want to have to try to put all this on by myself. Like at least 98% of it. If I can get the legs on first, strap that, boom, done. Get the chest on, boom, done. And then get the helmet, maybe help with the helmet a little bit, or at least try to connect some wires and whatnot. With the cod piece, I did print it as I think I showed in the last video. I cut it in half, and it's too small. It's too small, so now I'm printing it at 100% scale. Before it was 90, now I'm doing it at 100. So when that's printed, that's not printing right now. If you hear it in the background, I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but that's a Star Saber, which we're gonna talk about different video. But the butt piece of the Iron Man needs to be printed again, and I'm just gonna cut it in half, do some cool things with that, and then I can start finalizing that part. Put the thighs connected to that. Probably with that too. Just thinking of putting these upper thighs to it. I know I have a completed one. This one failed, but I'm still trying to put out how I can do the upper thighs with it, because I want to get as much detail as possible, and hopefully in the next 1 or 2 update videos I can actually wear it. I can actually wear the full suit. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be the ending right here, guys. I know this is kind of like this was really a set video. This was kind of just an update video of how everything is going, and yeah, I just need to order some more filament. I just need to finish the lightning focuser. Where is it? Actually, right here. Okay, actually right here. This was printing really good, and then it started. I can't remember what happened to it. I can't lie. I honestly think it might have failed or something. Or I think something just messed up with when I was printing this. But I probably print the rest of this right here. So I need to print the spikes for it. I have the back. I have a way to do it. I'm gonna revert back to the old way for doing it, guys. For the chest back to other back and stuff, guys. So hopefully in the next video I can at least wear the full suit done, and also with that, make it comfortable, just like I said. Make it comfortable, put all the electronics in there. And with the sanding part, you don't want to. The reason I'm sanding the legs right now is because there's no electronics gonna be in it. It's just there, it's sitting there. That can be one less thing I have to do at the final ending of everything. If I'm not gonna arms, I already have the arms. There's not gonna be no electronics in the arms. It's gonna be probably a wire shoots to my hand for the Arduino. And that's it. There's not gonna be like some crazy like whatever in the bicep right here for any lights or anything. It's just gonna be that. So that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to get. Yeah, same with the legs, same with the thighs. That's gonna be all done. The helmet, I'm not gonna sand until I get the motorization done, which there is gonna be a video about that. Hopefully, sometimes next week. If I can get the Arduino motherboard from Crashworks in this week, next week will definitely be the motorization video. Hopefully, and then that's all gonna be good. And then I can start putting lights, start hooking up everything else, start finishing the printing for these spikes, finish up all the wearness to wear it with the harness. Yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple, guys, but just takes time, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, this was just like a, not even a something. This was something. This was a video, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, any tips or ideas of what I can do, maybe I can orientate something better, maybe I can print something better, do something a little better, guys. Some other content will be coming out. I know it's been Iron Man, it was Power Rangers, Iron Man and stuff, guys. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Let's get it. See you guys in the next one. Let's go.